Are you kidding me?
This one particularly, I see messages all the time. You might have come across. Have you guys heard of someone called Alip Pata? I literally get so many messages about Alip Pata that I have to. Finally, I think today, look at what this is. It's an acoustic player because people have been saying, hey, fingerstyle playing. So we're going to check it out. You know what? It's kind of cool to, I was just going to say highlight some talent. But obviously, he kind of doesn't need my help because he's got loads of views on his videos. He's got so many views on this video. He doesn't need my help. I'm not that important. I'm just some random guitar player. It's My Heart Will Go On. I guess someone else did that My Heart Will Go On. Probably way better than Dragon Force did. I bet you this is like 1,000,000 times better than our version. I'm gonna go, oh, that's how you're supposed to do it. Let's check out, by popular request on the internet, Alip Pata. I believe he's Indonesian. And Indonesia have so many talented musicians. By the way, they're like some of the best shredders in Asia from Indonesia. He's gonna be good. Let's look at this. You know, I love this guy already. He did one hand playing the chords, then he just played the recorder, and then most of his views are probably from his sexy feet holding his recorder. That's why he's sitting down. That is cool. He's holding his recorder with his foot. And that was way better than Dragon Force version already. He didn't butcher the song like we did. We literally butchered Celine Dion songs with no mercy. Look at that. He's holding his recorder with his feet. This is sick. I wish I was that good on acoustic guitar. This is the kind of music I can put at home in the background, relaxing, sitting in my garden. Key change. Hey, was that it? Oh man, dude, I was getting really into it. This guy's awesome. I gotta click like on that. Man, okay. I was surprised actually. This guy's really good. I can put his songs kind of on a playlist and just like have it playing at home. This is a nice kind of channel you can relax on. I recommend it actually. It's good. What do you guys think? One take, no editing. He's just got one microphone on his guitar. Maybe he can open the Dragon Force show when we play in Indonesia. That would be like kind of a nice romantic warm up, calm, everyone together, having fun, having a good time. I think that would be good.